everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to change name on Facebook. So it's pretty easy task to do. So you have to move on to your Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now head over to the gear icon on the top. Now here go to account center. Now scroll down and go to your information and permissions. You can find it in here, or if you can't, you can find it in profiles. Now head over to your Facebook profile, and as we want to change our name of our Facebook in here, we're heading over to name, not the username. So here you have to give your first name, middle name, and surname. And if you want any other name to add, you can just click on manage other names. And once you have changed or made any changes in here, you have to just tap on review change. Otherwise, the new changes you have made won't be synced. So make sure to do that. And yeah, this is how you can change your name on your Facebook. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you with new tech tips.